Hi, my name is Ivanov, and I support managers and entrepreneurs to lead teams in different locations and deliver outstanding results. Over the years, I've developed a highly effective method how to lead virtual or remote teams, deliver projects faster, reduce costs, and have lots of joy on the way. So join our workshop at Running Remote Conference in Bali and find out how to build and lead your own virtual power team. Based on my failures and triumphs, I've created this workshop so I can save you from the errors and fast track you on the way for top performance. So join our workshop at Running Remote and lay the foundation for your own virtual power team. I look forward to seeing you in Bali.